Hello, I'm Scott Scroggins. I'm a data scientist and analyst with a background in education. And I wanted to showcase some of the projects I've worked on. So this first one, you see this map, maybe you've seen something like this before, where it shows the income needed to live comfortably in various states in America. And I saw something like this and I thought, how does this really relate to me? Because my spending habits aren't the same as other people. And yeah, California, okay, it's very expensive, but where in California? There's so many different places to live in California, and some are cheaper than others. So I created this applet using Python and deployed it through Hugging Face to take your information, your family size information, how many kids you have is definitely going to have a huge impact, and it will show you what a typical budget for a family in your county looks like, and typical income using medium income rather than an average, a little more robust. And then you submit what your budget is, and it will say, okay, here's how you compare to typical people in your area. Maybe pay a lot less for healthcare because you have healthcare through your job. Maybe your one of the parents is stay at home, so you don't pay a lot of childcare. And then a few other constraints like what states you want to include, and it'll show you the places where you would spend the least each month and have the most remaining each month based on income, based on which county you might be living in. And it'll show that in a bar chart, either stacked or clustered. So here I can see, okay, the place where I, with my spending habits as me, an individual in this county, uh, you know, still an average, but more exact than a whole state, what I could expect to spend based on my spending habits, what I could expect to have at the end of each month. So if you define living comfortably as having half of your money left over for discretionary and saving, then maybe at the current income I'm making and compared to the median, there's not that really many places I could live. But if I get a raise, if I get a promotion, okay, the places I could live comfortably would go up and up. So that's my first project, created through, again, Python and panel library for the UI. Second project, this was a huge project where I took data from um, multiple government agencies and had to clean for extensively to get all the things in agreement. And this is just a taste of that bigger project that allows the user to select any county in America. Here I have a couple of California counties and Illinois County, and compare them in some key metrics: homicide, unemployment, real income, and see how they've been changing in the last 22 years, from 2002 to the year 2022. And so this was created again through Python and pandas, and deployed through Tableau. And in the bigger project, I use linear regression to create some trends and see these irregularities, and a lot of the cleaning had to do with getting the counties to agree with each other, because county lines change over times in ways that states don't, and things like that. So if you're interested in viewing these projects in more detail or using them yourselves, there's a link in the description. And thank you for looking at the showcase, and I hope you consider me for your company. Thank you.